Rosette's going to sing for us, Heaven Has Come to Us.
Unto us from on high, reaching down into the deepest night, to the world hope has come. In the dark, the light of life has dawned. What a mystery, oh, what love. Oh, how can it be that heaven has come to us? Unto us, meek and mild, God eternal born a child, set aside heaven's throne, veiled in weakness, came into his own. What a mystery, oh, what love. Oh, how can it be that heaven has come? What a mystery, oh, what love. Oh, how can it be that heaven has come to us? Unto us grace has come, here to seek and bring the sinner home. Lived to die, rose to reign, Son of Man, the Lamb for sinners slain. What a mystery, oh, what love. Oh, how can it be that heaven has come? What a mystery, oh, what love. Oh, how can it be that heaven has come to us? Here, Lord, my soul convicted stands, a breaking all thy 10 commandments, and on me justly mightst thou pour thy wrath in one eternal shower. But thanks to God, its loud alarms have warned me of approaching harms. And now, O Lord, my wants I see, lost and undone, I come to thee. I see my fig leaf righteousness can ne'er thy broken law redress, yet in thy gospel plan I see there's hope, a pardon even for me. Here I behold thy wonders, Lord, how Christ has to thy law restored those honors on the atoning day which guilty sinners took away. Amazing wisdom, power, and love display to rebels from above. Do thou, O Lord, my faith increase to love, and and trust thy plan of grace.
Well, thank you, Rosette. Hope you all have a good Monday and try to stay warm out there today. God bless.